Hi there, welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you get up to speed with Excel quickly and easily. Our video tutorials are designed to provide an easy-to-follow guide to help you understand how to use Excel. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to calculate a weighted average in Excel. If you're interested in learning more, then please keep watching. Weighted average is a method of calculating an average in which certain values are given more importance than others, allowing for a more accurate representation of the data, in the same way as in our example, where the significance of each exam score varies. So here we have score values, and for each one, we have information about how important it is, expressed as a percentage. When calculating the regular average, each value is treated equally, meaning each has the same weight and importance in the calculation. Calculating the average doesn't have to be complicated. With the average function, you can easily work out the average of any set of values. To find out more about this function, Sheet Leveler has created a helpful tutorial that can be viewed by clicking the link in the description below. Today's tutorial will focus on teaching us how to calculate the weighted average. For this calculation, we'll need to use the SUMPRODUCT function to get the desired result. Let's take a more in-depth look at this function and determine how we can use SUMPRODUCT to calculate the weighted average of these values. So, to calculate a weighted average, click the cell where you would like the result. Begin by typing an equal sign followed by SUMPRODUCT. Click on SUMPRODUCT and Excel will present us with the data needed to complete the function. We start by selecting the score values from column C, which are the exam results we want to include in our calculation. We highlight the whole area that contains these figures, and Excel automatically enters the coordinates of this area into the formula. To ensure accuracy, we should add a comma and then list the corresponding weights of the given values. First, we'll add a comma after the formula and then select the range of cells containing the weight of the values. Excel will automatically include the reference to the whole range in the formula. Once the score and weight data is defined, we can move on to the next part by closing the brackets. To complete this calculation, we need to divide the whole by the sum of all weight values. To do this, enter the division slash and type SUM, followed by the data from the weight section in brackets. Press Enter to finish. This method of calculating weighted averages is simple, efficient, and can be applied to any number of data points. If you found this tutorial helpful, please show your support by liking this video and checking out other tutorials offered by Sheet Leveler. Not familiar with Sheet Leveler yet? We'd be delighted to have you join our online family. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll be all set. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon in the next tutorial.